This is Vanessa Joy here with Shutter Mag, and I just wanted to show you my studio so you can see the lighting setup. I don't have the model here right now, but just so you can see the lighting setup for those nice, clean headshots, which I wish I had that lighting on me right now, but here's what we've got. And mind you, you don't have to have the top of the line equipment. You just have to have the light pointed in the right direction so that you're getting a nice, clean headshot. So here's what we've got. One of the most important things that I like using when we're doing a headshot like this is a bottom reflector. Now this one is the Lastolite Tri-Light. There's other ones that are similar, like the Westcott Eyelighter. That one's great. I tend to like this one because it has different settings for like the sides and the bottom. So it's different than just putting a flat reflector, or it's different than even the Westcott Eyelighter, because you can decide, hey, I don't really want as much fill on the right side for whatever reason, and then just put this down. So it's kind of cool, gives you a little bit more control, and then it is double-sided, so this is a nice warm fill. You can also buy different reflectors for this, so you can do, I want to say there's one that has like a white and a silver also, but this just happens to be the one that I have. This is probably the most key part. It is a little bit expensive, so if you don't have this, a couple of other options. If you're working by yourself, not this, this is for something else. A V-flat would do it. This is a V-flat World V-flat, and you can set this up. Let me show you. It's like a little trick that most people don't think of when they think of V-flats, but because V-flat World has this portable thing going on, the top part is detached. So you can actually do that and put this below the model, and then you've got a reflector that's holding itself up and you don't have to do anything. And third option would be to actually be holding a reflector, but it's kind of annoying, or hook up a reflector to a stand, I suppose. Anyway, so that's that option. Now, as far as where the light is actually coming from, I know that was weird. I showed you the reflector first. But where the light is coming from, this would be my option here. This is a Profoto D1, not with this. You could do it with a softbox. I happen to talk about how to do it with the Beauty Dish, but you could do it with a softbox. A 2x3 is fine. You don't need a 3x4. You really don't, not just for one headshot. The light source is already bigger than her head. I mean, you can't really get any larger than that as it relates to what you're photographing. So 2x3 is fine, or what we recommended, what I showed, which is covered in cobwebs, this is the Profoto Beauty Dish. That's really disgusting. Oh, here's a friend. Oh, two friends. That's gross. That's disgusting. Okay, oh, three friends. Everyone wants to be on Shutter Mag. All right, so what we've got here, I'm not taking it out because it's a pain to take out, in fact. So is this. It's not a pain to take out, it's a pain to put it in. See, now I just have to do it to prove a point. No, I'm not gonna prove a point. All right, this is a grid. Now, you really do have to see the Beauty Dish. You do have to see why it's a Beauty Dish on the inside, because it does matter. Let's just pop this out. Hello. All right, so the reason why this is a Beauty Dish is because it has this plate right here. So when the light comes through, it's going to bounce off the back of this plate, then to here, then forward. So it eliminates that hot spot in the center of the light. It actually creates a little bit of a dark spot in the middle. It works out though. You don't notice it too much, especially if it's nice and close to her. Now, you don't have to have the grid on there, but I do recommend you at least have the diffuser. It's just going to help with a little bit of that skin shine, diffusing the light, so it's not going to be as specular. And that's it. That was just right here like that. My model is, right about here, so super close. The closer it is to her, the more soft the light is going to be. And that's what we've got. And of course, you can let your backdrop however you want. So that's it. I'm Vanessa Joy. Thanks so much for reading this article of Shutter Mag. I'm going to go clean this now.